everybody. Okay, let's find the centroid of this composite shape. So it looks to me like there's a rectangle here, another rectangle over here, then a semicircle, and then a circular cutout. So a bunch of things to keep track of. And then for rectangles and circles, the centroid is just in the middle. But for a semicircle, I can never remember, so I grab this out of the appendix. And then notice that out of the appendix, the semicircle is kind of oriented this way, but in our shape, it's oriented this way. So, right, this 4r over 3 pi is this way. Okay, so let's put everything together. So let's start with the x component. So this is an area weighted mean position. So let's start with the x component of the centroid for this rectangle, which is right here. Right, so that would be half of 160. So I'm just going to write the numbers. So half of 160. And just to save space, I'm not going to write the units. Just assume everything is millimeters. Okay, so the centroid of the rectangle times the area of this rectangle, which is 160 by 80. Okay, next, this rectangle. So the centroid is here in the middle, which is 120 times the area of this rectangle, which is 40 by 80. Okay, now let's get to this semicircle. So for this semicircle, the centroid is maybe around here, which is 120 times the area of the semicircle, which is 1/2 pi r squared. Okay, plus, now the circle. So where's the centroid of the circle? Right here, 120 times the area of the circle, which is negative because it's a cutout. Right, so negative pi r squared. Right, it's a cutout. Okay, and then divided by the area. So this, 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 and this. And negative. Okay, so that's the x component of the centroid. Now let's do the y component. See, y. Same strategy, except now we want this. So that's 40 for the rectangle times the area of the rectangle plus this other rectangle now. So that's 80 plus half of this. I'll write 80 plus half of that times the area of this rectangle plus, maybe let me get rid of some of the, clean this up a little bit, the semicircle. So the centroid of the semicircle is right around here, where here to here is 4r over 3 pi. But notice that we need 120 plus 4r over 3 pi, right, to get us from the x-axis down here to up here. So 120 plus 4r over 3 pi times the area of that semicircle, 1/2 pi r squared, and then finally the circle, so which is here at 120 times the area of the circle, which is again negative. Okay, and then now divide by the total area. Just take this, copy and paste it right there. Okay, so I hope that helps. Keep on studying. I'll see you on the next video.